Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is David and welcome to UTECHPIA. I'm excited to talk to you about eBay's 15% off coupon that's starting on August 28, 2018, starting at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is a 15% off coupon valid for purchases over $25 and giving you a maximum saving of $100. This is great for tech gadgets or anything you're looking on eBay. The details of how the coupons work is in the description below. This coupon is perfect for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro or the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, which are two drones that got released just last week. So the best way to use this coupon is go into the eBay auctions that I'm listing below in the description. These are priced at retail, but they have a make offer. And usually if you make offer for about $100 off what they're asking for, they'll accept it. Then you use the 15% off coupon on top of your offer, and that's a great deal. So that means for about $12.50, you can get the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, or for about $10.50, you can get the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, which I think are fantastic deals. And again, remember, the coupon also works on other things on eBay as well. Just make sure you read the description of the coupon. I'll try to leave as much information as I can in the description of this video. So check out the description below and I'll update it with as much information as I know. So well, the rest of this video is going to talk about the two drones that DJI just released and why I want the Mavic 2 Zoom, but the Mavic 2 Pro is still a very good drone too. DJI has just launched two new drones, the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom. The Mavic 2 Pro has a Hasselblad camera which includes an awesome 20 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor with adjustable aperture. This is a drone to pick if you want the absolute best photo and video quality. Here are some YouTubers that prefer the Mavic 2 Pro.
For me, it's got to be the bigger sensor.
The better sensor on the Pro makes it the best option for us.
Mavic 2 Pro, the best drone out there right now.
Alternatively, the Mavic 2 Zoom has a 2x optical zoom lens that can zoom from 24mm to 48mm to compress the footage for a very cinematic look. And it has a mode called dolly zoom, where you fly backwards while zooming in, making for an interesting effect. These are some YouTubers who prefer the Mavic 2 Zoom.
To zoom in and zoom out on different objects, which is pretty cool and one of my favorite features of this particular drone.
This is everything I love about the Mavic Pro with vast improvements.
Other than the features that we mentioned, these drones are identical, and all these new features make it very easy to operate. All these sensors make it easy to not crash, and more importantly, there's software that make it so that you don't need to learn a lot of things, you don't need a lot of skills. You just kind of push these automatic settings and you get fantastic, beautiful shots. Anyway, that's my time for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to UTECHPIA. Your support is always appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey! Hello? Are you still there? Oh, there you are. I see you. Thanks for sticking around. Well, if you want to see more videos, check out these. And yeah, these are pretty interesting videos. I hope you like them. And thanks again for watching. I totally appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Well, I'm gonna head out now, so I'll see you later. Bye.